Hi, my name is Leah. I'm the Teen Services Librarian at the Ronald H. Temecula Public Library. And today I'm going to show you how to make a fall craft. To begin, you'll need either a wire wreath or a foam wreath. You'll also need ribbon and mesh. The foam wreath is really simple. All you do is you wrap the mesh around the wreath over and over, making sure to add multiple layers so that you can cover the green underneath. Another thing you can do is scrunch your mesh to add extra texture. If you want to make the wire wreath, you're going to take your mesh and unravel a large amount at once. You'll unravel the whole thing as you work, but you only want to unravel parts at a time. Once you have some, you're going to fold the end and put it under this first wire, over the next wire, and under the last one, and you'll pull it through. Then you'll do the opposite. You'll go under, then over, then under, and pull it through. You're going to keep doing this all the way around your wreath. It'll take a while, but I'm sure you'll get there just fine. And then you're also going to have to adjust the wreath as you go. You can spread the mesh apart or bring it together depending on how you want it to look. And I recommend using 2 spools of mesh, but how much you use is up to you. Now that you have your completed wreath, you'll see that I made sure there were 4 loops along the top of each of these sections. You can have more or less depending on what you want. I also used less than the full amount of the second spool, so I just cut that off. And then you'll notice you're left with these tails at the end. All you're going to do is fold them under. It sticks to itself really well. And there you go. We'll use our ribbon next. For your final step, you're going to take your ribbon and unwind it. Then you fold the ends down, and you're going to go under the wire that's more exposed. And you'll do the same thing you did with the mesh, just under, over, under, all the way around. You want to get some space in between so you can space out your ribbon more. Once you've got your ribbon going all the way around the wreath, you're going to have 2 tails at the end that you can tie into a bow, and it will look perfect. And here are your completed wreaths. Yours might look a little bit different, but I'm sure they look great. Thank you for joining me for today's craft. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time.